Welcome to the Von Educational Series. Today we are going to learn how to use the Von garment steamer. Let's start by looking at what comes in the box. You'll get the user manual, the garment steamer. It comes with two accessories, the lint brush remover and the water cap. So let's use the garment steamer. First thing first, put water using the container that's provided. This is the water tank. Until the maximum. The water tank is 165 ml. Make sure you cover it well. Do not start using the garment steamer if water is not inside the tank. So this is off, this is on, so we are going to put it on. See, produces very good amount of steam. It has these 7 steam holes, and you see it's instant, so you can either do it horizontally or vertically. And when you're ironing, ensure that there is room for steam to pass through the other side to ensure that you don't burn your clothes. You can place it on the cloth, that's fine. It has a stainless steel sole plate to ensure that there is smooth ironing of your clothes. Please take note of the before and after. You can see the creases going away. Just like that. And remember, it's made of durable material, easy to carry, so it's travel friendly. It produces 25 grams of steam per minute. This is enough for you to iron smoothly. And within a few minutes, you've ironed your shirt and you're ready for work. If you had traveled, you're getting ready for work, you're done in minutes. So please look out for the water in the water tank so that it doesn't go empty, rather run out. And now turn it off again. It's available at all our retail outlets or online. You can also find it at all the leading supermarkets near you.